Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your Earbuds Moto Buds 270 on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And after that, I have stock Android, so near to the name I have this pencil icon, and I need to tap at this icon. On some devices it's located at the right top, and also some Android phones have a line with a name. So, tap at this line, I'm going to tap at the icon, and right here you can write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add this one. The most important is to click Rename to save this new name. On your phone it may be Done or OK or checkmark or something else. Tap at that button and as you can see we just changed the name. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!